Now let's start with the wire. This is our one gun two-way switch one. Another one gun two-way switch. This is our intermediate switch, our lamp, and this is our life and neutral. Two-way switch one. Another one gun two-way switch. This is our intermediate switch. This is our lamp holder, and this is our main supply. So first, welcome to electrician CWP. You can to look at how to wire one gun two-way switch with an intermediate switch. This is our life and neutral here. This is our lamp. Editing focus. This is my one gun two-way switch one. This is my intermediate switch and another one gun two-way switch. These are the materials we'll be using. So let's do the arrangement and start with the wire. Now let's start with the wire. This is our one gun two-way switch one. Another one gun two-way switch. This is our intermediate switch, our lamp, and this is our life and neutral. So now let's start with the wire. Let's start with the main supply first. So our life will come to our main switch. This is our life. And then switch wire from the other switch, wire from this switch to the lamp holder straight. This is our switch wire. And our neutral from the main switch. Our neutral from the main switch to the lamp holder. Our neutral from the main switch to the lamp holder. And then our strap wires, which is our control cable. So L1 to L1, L1 here to L1, L2 to L2, another L1 to L1, L2 to L2. As simple as ABCD. We are done with the wire. This is our switch wire here. This is our life. And then this is our neutral. This is our neutral. Switch wire. This is how to wire one gun two-way switch with an intermediate switch. So now let's test and see whether the circuit will work or not. You can on it here. You can put it off. You can on it here and off it here. You can put on the intermediate switch and off it there. You put it here, off it here, you on it there. You off it here, you on it there. You put on the intermediate switch, it's off. Please subscribe for more content. On, off, on, on. On, off, on. Let me do a recap of what we have done. This is our one gun two-way switch one, another one gun two-way switch. This is our intermediate switch. This is our lamp holder, and this is our main supply. So from here, from the main light to the one gun two-way switch direct, and then from another one gun two-way switch direct to our main our lamp holder. Then from our lamp holder it ends here. Then our neutral to our lamp holder. You do the looping L1 to L1, L2 to L2, L1 to L1, L2 to L2. Subscribe for more content.